Alrighty, it's time to go out. I gotta shovel out my thing again. Alrighty, here we go. I better put this in the house. It'll freeze out here until I can get to it. Ooh, ice. I don't want to walk in the snow, deep snow. Got some drifting going on. I need an ergonomical shovel. Ergonomic shovel, whatever it's called. So I don't have to bend over so hard. How many bird enthusiasts go through this? Whoa. You know, you gotta have sound effects, right? Tired of the starlings. They eat everything. Oh. As long as I keep this here, the gravel will stay here. Oh yeah, we need to get some water. Whew. This is ice here. Ugh. I need this. Okay. Angels, keep me upright. Here we go. Holy crap, it's cold out here. My face hurts, and I'm not even the one looking at it. Whoo-wee. These birds are nasty. I don't know what the temperature is out here, but it's minus something. There you go. I hear the birds are chirping. Okay, my face is stinging. I can feel every hair in my nose. Okay, here we are on the ice. Baby steps, baby. Okay. Let's get back in the house. Alright. What do we have here? Okay, we have the seed. Two cups should be enough. Okay. Okay. Now it feels like the snot in my nose is freezing. Whew. Okay, it's still loose. Yeah, I gotta get more seed in the bucket. Probably need some down there. Oh yeah. Go inside and let my nose hair fall out. Aha! Winner, winner, got the right one. I'm not messing with that one. I'm tired of feeding the starlings my dried worms. It's for the bluebirds. The bluebirds aren't getting it. Okay, there you go, birdies. I'm so glad I had Mark make this path for me. All my little brick paths. This is Laura Lane here. Didn't know that, did you? Okay. Well, this has got to go get more seed. I hear a car crunching on the snow or the ice. Okay. And I'm going in. Oh my goodness. Okay.